victims' rights. My name is Train Smith. As I was stating, I was held against my will in Friends Hospital. I became pregnant by one of the orderlies, and I started having Braxton Hicks around April of 2004, right before Easter. So I was rushed from Joffrey, which is at Girard Hospital, at Girard Avenue in North Philadelphia. Joffrey Hospital, which is in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Let me give my contact information, because if there's anyone out there that's able to help me, they will be able to contact me at 215-900-0787 or 267-881-5963. As I stated, my case is public record, Smith versus Friends. 10 Supreme Court justices ruled in my favor and said that I had the right to file a lawsuit against the United States of Philadelphia because Friends Hospital was owned by the Quakers, which this is a Quaker state. So the hospital was held liable for their employees. But my attorney, Lawrence Narcisi, at the 100 Land Title Building was threatened, and he was forced to withdraw from my case. They threatened to have him disbarred. They continued to lie and conspire and hide my pregnancy. I did not have a period from October the 30th of 2003 all the way up into my full-term delivery at St. Joseph Hospital in North Philadelphia, which is a hospital that is owned by the Catholics. So that involves the Catholic Vatican. I went into full-term labor in April of 2004. I started having Braxton Hicks. I was rushed from Joffrey Hospital to St. Joseph Hospital. They were trying to find a doctor that they could pay to have the delivery and under the watchful eye of my family. My family did come to visit me on Easter in April of 2004. They allowed me to go out front and visit with my children, my sister, my nieces, and my nephews, which pictures were taken in front of the hospital of my belly. Also, my hair did not grow back as of yet. Also, I had strangulation marks around my neck because the orderly Ronald Potter had choked me unto consciousness, and I died in Friends Hospital, and they had to resuscitate me. I was viciously beat, tortured, over medicated. I was been 4-point restraints continually to be gang raped, like I said, until I became pregnant. So when they transferred me to St. Joseph Hospital, they tried to get in touch with a doctor. Lo and behold, Dr. Keoseti, Keosati. Keoseti was the surgeon that performed the legal cesarean in June of 2004. I was rushed from Joffrey as an emergency patient for emergency treatment. So if it was emergency treatment, why did they hold me from April of 2004 up until June of 2004, which I was 9 months pregnant at the time? They put me under anesthesia. They didn't have enough because they were taking anesthesia from other patients to hide the surgery. And I woke up on the operating table and saw my baby boy alive and crying in Dr. Keoseti's arm. He had 2 nurses attending him. One was an African American female and the other was an Asian female nurse who attended the operation. I woke up and stated, "Give me my baby." They all were startled, and Dr. Keoseti said, "Oh my God, she's awake." They put the oxygen, the anesthesia mask back on my face and put me back under. And he sewed me up so fast that he left 2 surgical clips in my stomach. When I woke up in recovery and Dr. Keoseti came to my room, I asked him about the whereabouts of my child. He tried to say that there was never a pregnancy and I was not pregnant and I had just had a bad reaction to the anesthesia. I was lactating